Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on dim wallpaper when we are in dark mode function in Samsung Galaxy A55. So where to look for this option? We need to go to settings, then we are looking for our wallpaper and style. And here we have our option. So dim wallpaper when dark mode is on. We can turn this option right here. And now when we turn on our dark mode, and our dark mode is where it is in display, here we have our dark mode, then this option will be active. So no need to save, we can safely go back to our home screen, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.